Using a stud finder, you can locate the studs in the wall that can support the projector. Measure the width of the board to find its center and mark it. There is a template sheet included, which is used to mark the placement of the wall mount, as well as where to drill holes and cut the openings for power receptacle and in-wall cabling. Using the values found in the online distance calculator for the desired image size, place the template sheet the recommended distance from the top of the board. Please note that the template sheet is placed 2.55 inches to the right of the center of the board to account for the projector lens, which is not in the center of the projector. Now we will assemble the wall plate. Take the 3-piece assembly plate and attach it with the screws found in the hardware bag. Using 4 included screws, we now attach the 3-point adjustment axis to the projector arm. For images less than 75 inches, attach the axis to the arm in position 1. For images larger than 75 inches, attach the axis to position 2. For the purposes of this video, we will use position 2.